Today we are unboxing this beautiful Hello Kitty tote bag. Welcome to the channel. I'm Elisa. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Hello Kitty metallic tote bag. This is a collaboration with Loungefly, and this is Bubblegum Divas. Okay, so this is exactly how this tote bag comes packaged. This is how you would get this from me if you're ordering on the website. It is completely packaged and wrapped in plastic and in paper. And it's got all the warnings and awareness on the back side here. And it's taped here at the top. This is officially licensed merch from Loungefly with collaboration with Sanrio. So we're just going to open this up here so that you can see. And carefully take off the tape. As I pull this down, I'm going to show you how the inside looks and how they have packaged this to ensure that everything is protected. This is the white tissue paper that is protecting the bag. So you want to make sure that if you're getting a brand new bag, this is exactly how it's coming in from Loungefly. So I'll just show you how they have it protected and taped up. You'll see there the hang tag with the licensing information. This is an authentic, officially licensed product. So this is exactly how it looks. This tote bag is so beautiful. I have to tell you, when I saw this for the first time, I just love it. There's an applique Chanel patching here on the front of the bag, and you've got the classic Hello Kitty with the teddy bear and the word hi. And this is embroidered onto the metallic bag here, as well as some vinyl patching and details. It's just absolutely beautiful. This is such a beautiful gift. If you have somebody who's a Hello Kitty fan, this is a beautiful gift. Beautiful. And there's some blue piping around the edges of the bag here. And all these little details, that is the bow, the Hello Kitty signature bow. I'm just going to turn it to the side here. And this is really nice here because this is a buckle so that you can actually clip on the straps that I'm going to show you. There's some additional straps to this bag here. And as we turn it to the back side, you're going to go ahead and see some more detail. You're going to see the applique here of Hello Kitty and her friends in their little cart. And it says Hello Kitty. There's a whole basket full of toys back there. There's a metal label here that says Sanrio Loungefly. And then as we turn it to this side, you will see the attached coin purse on the side here. So it's really cool because you get kind of double for your money. You get this vinyl PVC coin purse, and it has a zipper, and it detaches from the bag. Let's see if we can detach this. Okay. So it's still got the attachment on here that I would need to cut off, but this actually detaches from the tote bag itself, so you can put it inside or use it independently. And the parts are really good quality metal here, the buckles to the bag. So let's go ahead and look at the underside, and you'll see the underside is blue. I know for my bags, when I'm placing them down, I always worry about the bottom of it getting scratched or bruised up. So hopefully with this, it's a different color. It is a very smooth material here. So that's a faux leather, vegan leather. And then the straps are in the same color, blue, as the base of the bag. So you see there. So let's go ahead and open up the bag. I'm going to have to take off. They've got the straps wrapped in this really nice tape and material there. So we're going to open this up so the straps are protected. I mean, Loungefly does such a good job with protecting their products so that when you get this to your home, that it is exactly what you expect. It's just really high, good quality products here. So let's look at the inside. Oh my God, the inside is just gorgeous. So you will see inside there's going to be an extra strap here. And this is so that you can convert this tote over your shoulder. So this is your strap here, and I'll go ahead and take off that tape, and look at that. See that? And so now the other side here, I can just go ahead and clamp this on just like that. And now I have a long bag here that I can use. I don't just have to use the arm straps. I can actually use the shoulder strap. It has the same bow design as the embossing on the metallic here on the front. You can wear this bag over your shoulder using this adjustable strap, or you can grab the handles and use the bag like this. Okay, so in the inside of this bag, I see some beautiful linings. The lining says Hello Kitty as well. And so inside there's a bunch of nice paper to keep the bag shaped. So this was also here in the bag. So we've got the inside lining of the bag is in black, and it's in blue, green, yellow, red coloring, the lining. So there's another piece inside of here of, so I'm going to take the lining out so you just get a really nice look at it. So there's a lining, it says Hello Kitty. That's how the inside of the tote bag looks. Oh, it's really nice and soft. It's a really like silky fill lining, which is really nice because if you have makeup or you have something that gets in the bottom, it's nice to have a black interior of your bag so that you don't have to really worry about it getting, destroyed. So that's really nice. And I don't see an inside zipper, so the tote is actually just a nice large opening inside of here. I'm going to go ahead and cut the wallet off the side of the bag here so that we can get a closer look at it. Okay, I've detached the coin purse, and this is how it looks unattached to the bag. So the coin purse has a metal zipper. It also has the hook here so that you can clamp it onto the side of your tote bag as it was displayed when we first opened it. And this is super cute. You can just put your change, you can put your makeup, you can put, anything that you'd like inside of there. I just unzipped it. It has this protection piece of PVC inside of it to keep the shape. So when you get it, you don't have to worry about the shape being in disarray here. The inside has the exact same lining as the actual larger tote bag here. So that's really nice because they just complement each other very well. And there's a PVC photo of Hello Kitty in her airplane with some clouds around it. The airplane is yellow, green, and red. So I'm going to just zip this up. Again, the hardware is just really, really nice. The zippers say Loungefly on them. And so it's really nice to have all of that put together so well. It fits very easily inside of your tote bag. You can just pop it in there, or you can go ahead and clip it to the outside of your tote bag. Again, that is really, really nice. So you also have the instructions that come here with the bag, and this says that it's for 8 and up. So they want anybody who's purchasing this to be at least 8 years old. This is all the licensing information in different languages for different countries. These are the certificates back here, and it also has the barcode. And then on the inside of the bag, I thought I saw, yeah, okay. At the bottom of your tote bag, you're going to have the care label that is, for every single country. It's got the materials, the fabrics, what the bag is actually made of. And I'm sure it has the licensing certificate. Yes, there's a Hello Kitty certificate here. And you've got all the information with the registration numbers with Loungefly. Okay, so this bag, I have to tell you, this bag smells so good right now. It's brand new, and there's nothing like the smell of fresh, brand new. This is such a beautiful bag. Again, the straps are really nice. They have the Hello Kitty bows on them. And so that's a really nice add to the bag. I can go ahead and clamp it on. If I don't want to have the straps on my bag, I can just take the straps off and I can put them away. If I don't want to carry it as an over-the-shoulder bag, here's the straps here. And so again, the straps are adjustable. So you can adjust the straps right here. There is a metal buckle here, and you can adjust the strap to whatever size you need for your bag, whether you want to wear it longer or shorter. This tote bag is 11.5 by 13 and 4 inches wide. So it's got plenty of room for whatever you might need to put in this bag. It comes with an adjustable, detachable strap. It also comes with a matching coin purse that is detachable, or you can hook it onto the side here with this buckle. It is super beautiful. It has beautiful applique with chenilling accents, and it has printed designs on the front of the bag as well. This is just really nice. It feels good. It smells good. It's good quality. It's Loungefly. And if you know someone, or if you're an avid collector of Hello Kitty, this is one that you've got to get. Again, there's not many left out there. This is a part of the 50th anniversary collection for Hello Kitty. And this is our classic Hello Kitty here. She's just absolutely beautiful with her bear, and the tote bag is beautifully lined inside with Hello Kitty monogram. The tote bag is embossed with a Hello Kitty bow, and there's just bows and accent. It's a beautiful metallic color. This will look good anywhere you go and you want to take your bag out and show it off. And if you want to extend these straps, which I still have in plastic here, you can clamp on the adjustable shoulder straps, which are right here. And this just makes it really nice for you to carry over the shoulder. This is something that you can have for a very long time. The materials are good, it's quality. It is made by Loungefly. It's an officially licensed Hello Kitty product. Remember to go to Bubblegum Divas if you'd like this tote bag here. I have just a few of them left on the site, but you're welcome to go ahead and order one today. I'll get it out for you. You saw how it came. It came packaged. It has all the licensing, all the accessories on it, and it's going to be beautiful. So again, here it is, completely brand new, and here it is unboxed. And I'm Elisa. Thank you so much for watching Bubblegum Divas, and we hope to see you soon.